At a low.
And I'm Todd Demers. Eyes from not only Memphians but nationwide will be watching this case that shook the country. WREG's April Thompson live for us at the federal court as jury selection is set to begin any time now. April, what's the latest?
That's right, Todd. Anytime now. Just moments ago, I left from the courtroom and came downstairs. At that time, the lawyers are in the courtroom, 2 rows of Tyre Nichols' family in the courtroom, and members of the media have been allowed in. But the jury still was not in as of a few moments ago. 200 people are in this pool of potential jurors who are being questioned in this case. And when you have to whittle that down to 12, that's going to take some time. And it has been a slow start this morning. And a lot of the stuff that has been going on is really just the lawyers and the judge talking, trying to do all of that before the jury is brought in to begin the jury selection, even before that gets started. 3 defendants in this case, Tadarius Bean, Demetrius Haley, and Justin Smith, all arrived early this morning. So early, in fact, that the doors had not even opened, so they had to wait outside. The former officers and their attorneys did not speak, but Tadarius Bean was holding some type of poster board that seemed to rank the jurors on their likelihood of finding guilty or not guilty. And there will be plenty of questions for the jurors as they decide the fate of these 3 defendants in the death of Tyre Nichols. Last week, we talked to one of Tyre Nichols' family attorneys about what to expect in this jury selection.
You're going to have people that have opinions about this case, and how deep those opinions go will depend on how fast jury selection goes.
Now, Tyre Nichols' family arrived a few hours after the defendants, his mom, stepfather, and siblings, as well as some family supporters. They greeted people, talked with us in the hallway as they waited too, because this has been a long process, and a lot of people thought it would have started by now. We do suspect that the family will be here for the jury selection and the entire process. Coming up tonight at 5, you're going to hear more from Tyre Nichols' family attorneys about what we can expect in this case. And meanwhile, the jury selection hopefully is getting underway just around this noon hour. And we don't know exactly how long they will go today or how long the jury selection will take. We're told it could take up to 2 days. For your news leader in Memphis, I'm News Channel 3's April Thompson reporting downtown.
All right, April, thank you very much. And as you just heard, we will be there in the courtroom, bringing you the latest on air and online. And of course, all of our coverage on this case since the night of that deadly beating is online on our website, WREG.com right now. Just click on Tyre Nichols.